people are very successful in overcoming from a tough situation and some people are not. Every people in the world have the potential to face the problem in their life. But it's your own way how you face that tough situation. You face that tough situation happily or sadly. It's always possible to face tough situations because tough situations in your life only come to improve your personal ability. It don't come to harass you. I think that the person who overcome from a tough situation is more successful in his life than a person who will never want to face a tough situation. I'm going to tell you one story. This is very motivational story. This story inspired me a lot, and I hope that this story inspire you also. In a small Italian town, hundreds of years ago, a small businessman owner owed a large sum of money to a loan shark. The loan shark was a very old, unattractive looking guy that just so happened to fancy the business owner's daughter. He decided to offer the businessman a deal that would completely wipe out the debt he owed him. However, the catch was that we would only wipe out the debt if he could marry the businessman's daughter. Needless to say, this proposal was met with a look of disgust. The loan shark said that he would place two pebbles into a bag, one white and one black. The daughter would then have to reach into the bag and pick out a pebble. If it was black, the debt would be wiped, but the loan shark would then marry her. If it was white, the debt would also be wiped, but the daughter wouldn't have to marry the loan shark. Standing on a pebble strewn path in the businessman's garden, the loan shark bent over and picked up two pebbles. Whilst he was picking them up, the daughter noticed that he had picked up two black pebbles and placed them both into the bag. He then asked the daughter to reach into the bag and pick one. The daughter naturally had three choices as to what she could have done. You guess what the choice have daughter? What choices daughter have? First, refuse to pick a pebble from the bag. Take both pebbles out of the bag and expose the loan shark for cheating. Pick a pebble from the bag fully, well knowing it was black, and sacrifice herself for her father's freedom. She drew out a pebble from the bag and before looking at it accidentally, one minute, think what daughter will do next. So, she drew out a pebble from the bag and before looking at it accidentally dropped it into the mid of other pebble. She said to the loan shark, "Oh, how clumsy of me. Never mind, if you look into the bag for the one that is left, you will be able to tell which pebble I picked. The pebble left in the bag is obviously black, and seeing as the loan shark didn't want to be exposed, he had to play along as if the pebble the daughter dropped was white and clear her father's debt." So, what's the moral of the story? Please comment in the comment section. What's the moral of the story now? I give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now what's the moral of the story? It's always possible to overcome a tough situation. Throw out of the box thinking and not give it to the only option you think you have to pick from. And one thing I just want to say all of you that without a struggle there can be no progress in your life. Without a progress there will be no big man. Without a progress there was no Dhoni. There was no Sachin. No Tom Cruise. Every great person had faced problem in their life once and they faced happily their tough situation. So always remember, you have to face your tough situation happily, never sadly. Okay?